In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva upload error. This is a common issue that many users face, but with the right steps, you can resolve it quickly. Let's dive into the first step. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Canva. You might see several links in the search results. It is essential to select the correct one, which usually shows Canva's official site. This ensures that you are accessing a secure and legitimate version of the platform. After you find the right link, click on it to proceed. This step is crucial as it lays the foundation for everything that follows. Next up, after reaching the Canva website, log into your account. You'll need to enter your email and password in the designated fields. If you have forgotten your password, there is usually a recovery option available. Logging in gives you access to all your designs and the features required to upload new files. This step is straightforward but vital because it ensures that you are working within your own account and can save any changes you make. Now, once you are logged in, open your design canvas. This is where you'll be working on your project. You should see your existing designs or a blank canvas if you are starting fresh. Having your design canvas open is essential because this is the area where the upload action will take place. It also helps you visualize how your new media will fit into your current design. After that, it's essential to check if your file violates Canva's size or type limits. If your file does not meet the required specifications, the upload will fail immediately. You can find these requirements in the Canva Help Center. This step matters because uploading files that do not meet these standards can lead to frustration and wasted time. Ensuring compliance ahead of time can save you significant effort later. Next, locate the file on your computer or mobile device that you want to upload. This might involve navigating through folders or using search features to find the right media. Once you've found your file, take a moment to confirm that it is indeed the correct one. This step is important because uploading the wrong file can lead to additional errors down the line. Now rename the file to remove any symbols, brackets, hashtags, or punctuation marks. Special characters in file names frequently disrupt Canva's cloud ingestion paths. Simplifying your file name can help ensure a smooth upload process. This small adjustment can prevent errors and make your workflow more efficient. After renaming the file, perform a hard refresh on your design page. On Windows, you can do this by pressing Ctrl and F5 simultaneously. For Mac users, the shortcut is Command and Shift+R. A hard refresh clears the cache and reloads the page completely. This step is crucial as it might resolve any temporary glitches that could be affecting your ability to upload files. Next up, clear your cache and cookies inside your browser settings. This action removes old corrupted data that might be blocking your connection to Canva. Every browser has its method for doing this, so make sure to follow the steps specific to yours. Clearing your cache is essential, as it can resolve many common issues and improve your overall browsing experience. Finally, consider switching your browser temporarily. If you typically use Chrome, try Firefox or Edge instead. This helps determine if a specific extension or browser update is causing the upload stall. By testing different browsers, you can quickly identify and fix the problem. This last step is a powerful troubleshooting method that can save you a lot of time and headaches. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues related to Canva upload errors. Remember, patience is key, and each action you take helps streamline your experience. Thank you for watching and happy designing.